हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 9। लेट्स सी इलस्ट्रेशन 9 ऑफ सीएमए फाइनल एसएफएम फॉरेन एक्सचेंज एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। ओके, प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन हियर। Look at it. Illustration 9. A laptop bag is priced $105 at New York, and the same bag is priced for 4250 in Bombay. Okay, determine the exchange rate in Bombay. What is the exchange rate? Okay, this is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. The price as per purchase for parity. Price equality. What will be the? You make the price this and this equal. Okay. Now, if over the next 1 year the price bag increased by 7% in Bombay and 4% in New York, determine the price of bag at a Bombay in and New York, and also determine the exchange rate prevailing. Work out rupees 100 and exchange rate you have to calculate. Okay, determine the appreciation or depreciation rupees in 1 year from now. Look at it. In this case, as per New York price, first part answer, price of New York equal to price of Bombay, New York. This is $105. This is rupees what? 4250 as per purchase for parity theorem. As per purchase parity. Purchase parity means as per exchange rate price should be equal. Okay. In this case, $1 equal to rupees 4250 divided by 105. That is $1 equal to rupees 40.4762. This is the answer of first part. Answer of first part. Okay. Now in the second case, please try to understand in A part. If the next year the price of bag 7% in Mumbai and 4% in New York, determine the price of Mumbai and New York. Okay. That is A, second part. Answer. Price of bag after 1 year in New York. $105. This is appreciated by 4%. 1 plus 0.04. Dollar 109.20. Similarly, price of bag in Mumbai after 1 year. Rupees 4250 1 plus 0.07 rupees 4547 47 4547 4250 into 1.07 4547.5 as per purchase parity. Purchase parity. Exchange rate should be such that price of the commodity becomes the same on the basis of exchange rate. That's why we can write price of bag in New York. Price of bag in New York equal to price of bag in Mumbai. This is in New York the price is 109.20. They write here $109.20 rupees 4545.50 $1 equal to rupees 4545.50 divided by 109.20 $1 equal to rupees, this is 41.6437. Okay, rupees 141 point this, but it is asking per rupees 100 what will be the rate per rupees 100 per rupees 100. Then how can you write rupees 41.1538 41.4545.5 divide 109.20 41.6254 41.6254. This is the 6254 6254 equal to $1 rupees 100 equal to 6254 into $100 into 100 $2.4023. This is the rate. Okay, now the question is asking in third case, determine the appreciation or depreciation of rupees in 1 year. In 1 year, please try to understand here. A spot rate you had, a spot rate $1 rupees 6040.4762 we have calculated. 1 year forward rate $1 equal to rupees 41.6437 suppose. Now what will be the forward rate? Calculation of premium or discount of rupees when premium or discount of rupees when dollar is in single quote, single unit. In this case, you will have to apply a spot rate, forward rate, forward rate into 100. What is the spot rate you have? 40.4762 minus 41.6437, 41.6437. This fractional point may be some difference. Please try to understand here. This is 2.8%. Okay, so all the parts has completed. All the part has completed the questions. Please see in the questions. This is the question. Determine the appreciation or depreciation in 1 year. Appreciation or depreciation in 1 year you have to determine. Okay, we have completed this illustration. Okay, thank you class.